In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a Smartsheet report effectively. Whether you're managing a simple project or juggling multiple complex tasks, understanding how to filter reports in Smartsheet can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. So, let's get started and walk through the entire process step by step. We'll begin by navigating to your Smartsheet workspace or home screen. This area is essentially your central hub where all of your sheets and reports live. Once you've settled in, the next objective is to pinpoint the specific report you aim to filter. It could be amongst your recent activities or securely stored in your saved items. Take a moment to locate it, and once you've zoned in, a simple click will open it up for you. Now that your report is open, shift your focus to the upper portion of the interface. This is where you'll find a button labeled Filter Criteria. Clicking on this button is essentially your gateway to refining your data, honing in on the information that is crucial for your current needs. With the filter options in view, it's now time to add some conditions to your filter. There should be an option marked Add Condition. Clicking this enables you to introduce new parameters that will help tailor the data to your precise requirements. Once you've selected Add Condition, your next step is to decide on the specific column you wish to filter. You'll see a list of available columns like Status, Due Date, and Assigned To, among others. Choose the one most pertinent to your needs. After you've selected a column, you'll have to define the specific criteria you wish to apply. Smartsheet provides a range of options such as is one of, is not one of, contains, is blank, as well as more specific options like is greater than or is in the future. These options give you the ability to narrow down your data meticulously and ensure your report is as informative as possible. Having specified the criteria, it's imperative to define the actual value or condition you wish to apply. This process finalizes the filter for the column you've selected. Should you realize that a single condition isn't comprehensive enough for your needs, there's no cause for concern. You have the option to add multiple criteria, which can further refine your data set. Adding multiple conditions is especially beneficial when trying to navigate through complex layers of data, ensuring that you retrieve exactly what you need from your report. Once you've set up all your filtering criteria and are confident with your selections, the last move is to click Apply. This activates the filter and provides a refined view of your report, showcasing exactly the data that aligns with your established conditions. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can efficiently filter reports in Smartsheet, making your data management tasks significantly more manageable and focused. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow in Smartsheet.